Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can put a password on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. And then once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. And then you're going to find all of these sections. In the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is wait for the page to load. This is basically the editor for Wix. So once you're here in the editor, if you go to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So basically, guys, in order to be able to add a password to your Wix site, first of all, go to pages and menus. And then once you're here, go to site menu and then go to the home page. Once you go to home, click on these three dots right here, and then you're going to find all of these settings. Go ahead and click on the first option, which is settings. And then once you're here, go to permissions. And then here under permissions, you're going to find who can access this page. You can either choose everyone, password holders, or site members. So go ahead and choose password holder, and then you can set a password right here. And then once you do that, just go back and then you're going to be able to add a password to your site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.